Black-gray dual-sided PU leather desk pad, upgrade sewing office laptop mat, waterproof large mouse pad, non-slip writing mat desk blotter protector for office home, 31.5. High quality, made of durable PU leather material. New upgrade sewing reinforcement design makes our desk pads more durable than the normal mats. Size 31.5 x 15.7, 80 x 40 centimeters. The pad is just the right size to fit a standard laptop with a work area next to it for a pad of paper, a mouse and some office sundries. Waterproof and easy to clean, water-resistant leather makes this desk cover protect your desktop from spilled water, drinks, ink and the other liquid. Easy to clean, just wipe with a wet cloth or paper. Double-side usage, you can use comfortable black or smooth gray sides you like. 2-in-1 desk pad, just turn it over and utilize it. Multifunction, it is perfect for both office and home. 1. Desk protector, protects your glass wooden desktop from scratches, stains, spills, heat and scuffs. 2. Mouse writing pad, its smooth surface will make you enjoy writing, typing and browsing. 3. Home decor, brings a modern and elegant atmosphere when you put it on your desktop. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.